Hello everyone, I'm Harvinder, Science Faculty at New Careers Academy. Now I'm going to solve science questions of NDA to 2022 examination. Overall, science section was easy and there were some basic numericals. Also, I would like to mention that 90% of the questions, I would say more than 90% of the questions were from our notes. So I will be displaying you notes as well with each question. So let's begin. First question, two convex lenses have a focal length of 50 centimeter and 25 centimeter respectively, and you have to calculate net power. So you know that formula for lenses, formula for combined power is P1 plus P2, summation of individual powers, and you know that power is 1 by F. So you know F1 and F2. F1 is 50, F2 is 25 centimeter, and this is formula. There in notes. So you will use this formula, and your answer will be plus 6 diopter. So plus because lens is convex lens. Second, very straightforward question. Which one of the following does not represent electrical power? So these three are formula for power, Bi, I square R, V square by R. So we can see that option B doesn't fit. So option B is correct answer. Next question, refractive index. So I will show you formula from notes. This is formula for refractive index. Mu is equal to C by V. Here you are given with mu and C, and you have to calculate V. So V is C by mu. Mu is 3 by 2. So it would become 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 C is the answer. Next question is about time period of simple pendulum. So this is formula. T is equal to 2 pi L by G. So 2 pi L by G. So what we are given, okay, mass is doubled and length is half. So mass की तो जरूरत नहीं है, length is half. So we will take T dash as L by 2G. So when you will solve this expression, you will get the answer root 2D. Next question, in which one of the following devices the light energy is converted into electrical energy? Very simple question. Solar cells, they convert light energy into electrical energy. Next question is about sonar. What kind of waves are used in sonars? So sonars stand for sound navigation and ranging, and ultrasonic sound waves are used. Again, simple questions. Option C, ultrasonic waves is correct answer. Next is about variation of speed of sound wave with temperature and other conditions. So dependence of sound wave with temperature and nature of the medium is given. So let us read the options. So the speed of sound wave in steel is higher than in water. These three statements are correct. A, C, and D are correct. Option B is incorrect. The speed of sound wave in air decreases with increase in temperature. No, it increases with increase in temperature. So B. The part of human air that converts the pressure variation. Again, this question is directly from notes. So these are converted by cochlea. So option B is correct answer. Which one of the following metals is commonly used for making bulb filaments? Bulb filament is made up of tungsten. In straightforward question, option D. Okay, a bullet of 10 gram is horizontally fired with velocity this from a pistol this. What is the recoil velocity? For this, you need to know the formula for recoil and muzzle velocity. So here expression is given. You can use this expression. So answer would be, okay, so when you will solve this, you will get -3 meter per second as answer using this expression. Here B is mass and velocity of bullet, and mgvg is mass of gun and velocity of gun. Next, microphone converts, very simple question. It converts sound waves into electrical signals. Next, protein digesting enzymes. So I told you the enzymes which have suffix as in, they are protein degrading enzymes. So trypsin. But it said that secreted by stomach wall. Okay, secreted by stomach wall. So pepsin, answer is pepsin. Okay, this trypsin is secreted by small intestine, pepsin by stomach. Okay, so here it is given. Next, which one of the following will be resulted when animal cell is surrounded by a medium with lower concentration of water? So in this condition, water will move from cell to surroundings. So cell will lose water or cell will shrink. So option A. The digestive enzymes are present in very straightforward question. Digestive enzymes are present in lysosomes. Option C, lysosomes is answer. After fertilization, the fruit and the seed are produced by, clearly written in notes, fertilized ovule is seed, ripened ovary is fruit. So option B, ovary and ovule respectively. To help sea divers breathe, they carry cylinders of oxygen mixed with. So oxygen is mixed with nitrogen. Option C. Which one of the following compounds undergo thermal decomposition? So this is very simple reaction, zinc oxide and silver oxide. They decompose into zinc and silver respectively. So option B. The transfer of electrical signal by nerve cells in human body is carried out by the sodium Na positive ions are responsible for nerve impulse. Option A, sodium. Silver artifacts get tarnished. This is due to formation of silver sulfide. Means straightforward question. So option C, silver sulfide. Human eye can see objects at different distances with contrasting illuminations. This isn't due to farsightedness or nearsightedness. This is because power of accommodation of eye decreases. So these are eye defects given in notes. Option D. Okay. Next, which one of the following hormones increases the heartbeat in mammals? So you know that adrenaline is fear, fight, and flight hormone. So option D, it increases heart rate. With epinephrine is also, but here it's not given in options. Okay, the digestion of fat in human intestine is performed by digestion of fat. Fat means lipids. So lipase would be involved, and also bile, which is liver secretion, that is responsible for emulsification of fat. So option B. And here it's given in notes also that bile is responsible for emulsification of fats. Question number 98 is about difference between animal and plant cell membrane and cell wall. So here differences are given. In plant cell wall present, and in animal cell wall is absent. The correct answer is B. Animal cells have only cell membrane, not cell wall, but plant cell have both. Lymph is a tissue fluid present in intercellular spaces. It resembles plasma. Plasma is also colorless fluid. Lymph is also colorless fluid containing some elements responsible for immunity. So this is all given about lymph. Okay, the breakdown of glucose in cytoplasm. So it results in pyruvate and energy. Option A. The commercial unit of electrical energy. So again, very straightforward question here. Conversion is given. You need to remember this. 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. The answer is option A, 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. Which one of the following statements regarding current carrying solenoid are not correct? So I will show you in notes. These are some points about magnetic field due to a solenoid. Magnetic field inside solenoid is uniform, and it behaves as bar magnet as well, and its magnetic field increases with increase in current. Option D is incorrect. If soft wire and R is placed, the magnetic field inside that solenoid, it increases. It doesn't remain same. A pressure cooker cooks food faster by. So pressure cooker works on the principle of elevation of boiling point, that is increasing the boiling point of water. Which one of the following wavelength correspond to wavelength of X-rays? So 0.1 nanometer to 10 nanometer. So option D fits. Okay, so this is given about boiling point. An electric bulb is connected to 220 volt generator. The current drawn is 600 milliampere. What is the power of the bulb? So we know formula for power, P is equal to VI, right? So P is 220 into current. You need to convert current into amperes. So 600 into 10 power minus 3 amperes. So we'll get 132 watt as answer. Option A is correct. When the pitch of sound wave increases, which one of the following increases? Very simple question. The pitch of sound wave depends upon frequency of vibration. So option D. Okay, next question is about reactivity series. So here reactivity series is given. You can see zinc is more reactive than iron, then lead, and then copper. So answer is option A. Zinc, iron, lead, and copper. Which one of the following metals float in cold water? So alkali metals, barium, sodium, potassium, they float in cold water. So option C. Which one of the following solution is not capable of conducting electricity? So see, ionic compounds. Ionic compounds, they conduct electricity, right? So A, B, D, all are ionic compounds. So option C. Sugar is non-ionic compound and it does not conduct electricity. The amplitude of sound waves. See, amplitude is measure of crest or trough distance. So option B, distance. Next, you need to calculate amount of charge. The formula for amount of charge is Q is equal to I into T. Q is equal to IT, 0.6 into 10 into 60. So answer is 360 coulombs. A DC generator, it works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. The presence of magnetic field, very simple question. It can be detected by using magnetic needle. Option C. Which one of the following about speed and velocity is correct? So see, speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. So option D. Bronze is an alloy of, straightforward question, copper and zinc. Cu and Sn. Option B. Which one of the following salts does not process water of crystallization? So you know the formula for blue vitriol, washing soda, it has 10 water of crystallization. Potassium magnate is KMnO4. So option A is correct. Bee sting leaves an acid. That acid is very simple question. Bee sting methanoic acid. So option D, methanoic acid. Vegetable oils are converted into solid margarine by the use of. Okay, so here is the reaction: unsaturated converted into saturated by using hydrogen. Option A, hydrogen gas. Vapors of sulfur. Okay, conversion of vapors into solid. This process is reverse of sublimation. This process is deposition. Dry ice. Dry ice is solid CO2. So when solid get converted into vapors, that is mist. This process is sublimation. Option A. C4HA belongs to the homologous series of. So for this, you need to know about alkane, alkenes, and alkynes and formulas. But you can just draw a simple, diagram also. So here it is given. Okay, so it belongs to. Okay, it contains double bond, so it's not alkane, it's alkene. It belongs to alkene homologous series. Formula for alkene is CnH2n for alkene. So that's all, students. I hope you all did well. All the best, everyone.